I'm working on a large desk for my grandson, and I just finished up gluing together all the pieces of this end of the desk. Actually, this is the part that sits on this side of the desk if you view the desk from the front. So this part is over here, and then I will assemble, just dry assemble the pieces of the opposite section. And then there are rails that connect the two sections to finish off the desk. So I've already glued the back legs and the back piece here. This is maple and the legs are cherry. The sides are also maple. And the back is mortise and tenon, very much like what you see here for the sides. So the sides are here, and they go in like that, and then this one is here. Then for this part of the desk, there will be only one very deep drawer. There are two drawers in this part of the desk. These are the drawer runners, and this is the bottom drawer runners, and they fit into a socket in the back like this. And then here's the other bottom. Oops, I got these backwards, which is typical. So this goes in here. And this fits in that socket down there. There'll also be some large screws that connect this bottom rail to the side piece as well. Now I've glued up the front legs with the one rail here. This is cherry, along with the legs are cherry. And I pinned those mortise and tenon joints. So that's all glued just earlier today. And these legs have those same mortises that you saw in the back legs. So that fits in there like that. That sits in there like that. Then these drawer runners go into a socket that's in the back of this rail. Okay. So that goes in there like that. Then lift it up. Then there's a dovetailed rail that goes into the front And those dovetails drop down into the leg and also to the sides. So that captures everything there. Then these top drawer guides fit into a socket that's in the back of this rail, and then it fits into that socket in the back piece. And this comes in like that, and then this is positioned so that the dovetails line up, and this front rail then is just drop down. I'm not going to shove that down all the way yet. So that's kind of the glue up procedure as well. Then there'll be just one drawer here, but it will actually, the front face will look like there are two drawers that fit the same pattern as this part. Then there is a frame that goes between these two pieces, and also a back rail and a back rail and a front rail that fits in between these two pieces. So that will be the last thing that gets installed and glued up.